Okay, I'm going to do the baconaise. I've got 2 egg yolks in there. I'm going to put in maybe about a teaspoon and a half of Dijon mustard. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of water to that, and then 2 capfuls of white vinegar, which is probably 2 tablespoons, maybe not quite. So we'll do that. And then I'm also going to do a pinch of pink Himalayan sea salt. So put that in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix this up for about a minute or 2 until it's creamy. Okay, so I've been mixing this for about a minute and a half, and I have a half a cup of warm bacon grease here, and I'm going to go just very gradually pour that in and continue to mix. Right, so that was about a minute to a minute and a half, and that is the basis of your bacon mayonnaise. You can see it there. And I'm going to go ahead now and spice this up. So I'm going to add the Sriracha hot sauce, and I would say that I'm doing a good teaspoon of that. I'm also going to add sugar-free ketchup this time because I want more of like a mac sauce from McDonald's. Except my ketchup lid is like stuck. So I'm going to probably add about, I don't know, maybe not even a tablespoon of ketchup. And then the other seasonings that I have are chili powder, paprika, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and you can always, again, adjust to your taste, and some garlic powder. And then I'll mix that up and I'll show you. Okay, getting all the spices mixed in here. And there you can see the consistency here. I'll get it for you in just a second. Let me try to clean this off, and no, not being neat. I was going to try to be neat. I could probably use a bigger jar, but you get the idea. So here it is. That's your spicy baconaise. And then I just have a reusable mayo container, a little squirt container, and that's what I'm going to put it in. I stored it in the refrigerator probably for a week and a half. I think would be fine, even 2 weeks. And to just go ahead and get it where it's more pourable, I just put it in a little dish with warm water. Now be sure and save your bacon grease so that you can try this mayo, and let me know how you like it. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I will be sure and list the complete recipe in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the notification bell so you're alerted each time I upload a new recipe. Thanks so much and have a great day.